The second criterion is the Maximax Criterion. This criterion is opposite of Maximin Criterion. Under this criterion, the decision maker will first list the maximum payoff associated with each of his strategy. Then he or she is going to choose the maximum among the maximum payoff associated with each of his strategy. That is why it is regarded as Maximax Criterion. That is the maximum of the maximum. Now we are given the question number 2, which is the same question as what we have in the Maximin Criterion. Supposing a farmer who has 3 possible varieties to choose from. Now if you look at this question, the numbers of strategy that the farmer has is 3, which are the 3 possible varieties. Now this is the payoff matrix that they showed us among how the various varieties of the maize perform under the 4 natures of the weather that we have. Now we are told to use the Maximax Criterion to find the best strategy for the farmer. However, I want you to note one thing, that we might not get the same answer as we have in Maximin Criterion. This is because the outcome depends on the course of action that the farmer takes. The outcome depends on the criterion which the farmer used. Now in this case, we are using the Maximax Criterion, so don't be surprised if we didn't have the same answer.
Let's start by listing the maximum payoff associated with the strategy of the farmer. Don't forget that the strategy that the farmer has is the variety that he has at hand. So I'm going to have another column in this place which is time for row maximum. Let me call this row maximum. So now for variety 1, the maximum among these the maximum among 60, 40, 70 and 16 is 70. So I'm going to have 70 for variety 1. So let's move to variety 2. The maximum among 24, 50, 30 and 80, the maximum is 80. Then for variety 3, the maximum among 80, 10, 60 and 100 is 100. So I've already gotten the maximum, and as the name implies, Maximax Criterion, that is the maximum of the maximum. After listing the maximum payoff associated with the strategy of the farmer, I'm going to choose the maximum among this maximum payoff associated with the strategy of the farmer. And if you look at this, among 70, 80 and 100, the maximum is 100. So this will be our answer.